his son tore his ACL. It's a miracle that he's out here talking to his dad, telling me that he can't even fully extend that knee that he had operated on.
Father Allen, a former coach of the U.S. ski jumping and Nordic combined teams. This is the medal round. Each jumper takes 2 jumps, and after the first jump, the field is cut from 50 down to 30. Representing the Ukraine, Volodymyr Bosko.
And again, these early jumpers aren't really a threat for the medal.